Nursing just generally is about patient, about interacting with the families. I like actually being able to see the influence that I can have in someone's life. There's someone there that's looking to me to affect their lives.
I've always wanted to be a doctor since I was 4 years old, and I've always really wanted to help people. And so going to medical school and becoming a medical student was really a good way to kind of merge those two parts of me, and really enjoying the sciences and having a desire to really care for other people.
Upstate Medical University is the only academic medical university in Central New York. As the region's largest employer, it is built on a mission of research, patient care, education, and service.
I think many people in Central New York think of Upstate simply as University Hospital and don't understand that it's really a three-pronged institution. One that's got a huge research component, one that's got a very strong educational component, the College of Medicine, College of Nursing, and other colleges, and of course then the healthcare component, which is University Hospital. And put that all together with over 8,000 employees, it has a tremendous economic impact on the whole community.
As a healthcare provider, Upstate serves 1/3 of New York State. As an educator, it has a record enrollment of students who are being trained to meet the needs of the region. And as an employer, Upstate is keeping jobs, creating jobs, and drawing new talent to serve Central New York.
The educational and healthcare parts of this economy in Central New York are critical now. So it's very important that the strategic plan and the thinking here at Upstate continue to move forward, push the envelope, be aggressive, be reactive to the change of what's happening in healthcare and in the economy in general, and implement those changes for the betterment of the institution, the community, and all of us who live here.
As a nurse at Upstate, I'm very proud of our stroke program. And then when my own family member had a stroke, I got to see from a personal standpoint how truly effective our care is. With my Aunt Darlene, everyone really worked together to help her regain movement in her legs so she could walk again, and she was able to regain her speech.
They had an excellent personnel, and they wouldn't let me give up. But I'm a lot better, and I'm going to get better.
Upstate's growth in clinical services is being matched by its growth in education and research programs and facilities. Along with this, Upstate is also growing in reputation for its outstanding research on issues that affect health, including cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and vision.
We just got back from a meeting in Italy where people were talking about us. They were really excited about our research and our group and how much we've grown in the last few years.
Upstate's educational model has students learning in clinical settings throughout Central New York and offers classes in Binghamton, Ithaca, and Watertown.
We're very privileged to have the quality of educators that we have. I mean, people are very willing to work with you, and I think that being down here in Binghamton, the clinical facilities here, we really have an opportunity to really get to know the patients and to work with them hands-on.
Upstate has built a strong workforce that not only serves a region, but employs a region. The majority of Upstate alumni now serve our communities in New York State.
I would really like to stay in the Upstate New York area. After residency, I'd like to come back to Ithaca. I'd like to continue to serve that community, in a new role as a physician in that community.
Every day, Upstate provides the resources to build a healthy community through jobs, through education, through research, and through patient care. Upstate makes a positive impact in Central New York and beyond.
I work with a great group of professionals, nurses, doctors, respiratory therapists. It's a great feeling when I come to work.
Every day I commute 90 miles to come work at Upstate, and I'm so proud to be a part of that, and I couldn't imagine working anywhere else.
That fundamental commitment to excellence is what's driving everything and making a huge difference and allowing the institution to give back to the community in so many ways, not just medically but economically as well.